Crazy.
Well, even when you're in the States, you go back and forth between the two coasts.
That's correct.
Right.
And in fact, 2 weeks ago, I was travelling to Australia and a nightmare happened. I, for the first time in my life, lost my wallet. I know, horrible.
You know, they know me by my first name at the passport office because I've left it on so many flights internationally, all over the planet.
It's a terrible thing to do. First time it's ever happened. There are 2 tips here.
Okay.
Number 1, whenever you use your wallet, if you're checking in or anything like that, every time I take out a credit card, I always put my hand on my wallet and leave it on the countertop, like this, at a hotel or check-in like that.
That's smart.
Because then I know that something is missing from my wallet and I have to put it back in. But the more important tip is...
I've done that too. Have you guys done that when you go to a restaurant and you leave the credit card with the check? Like, here, take a vacation.
But here's a more important thing. Once a year, I lay all my credit cards and even my health insurance card out on the kitchen counter, and I use my phone and I take a photograph
Of front and back.
of both the front and the back.
That is so
Now,
smart.
what happened then when I lost my wallet? Nightmare, but I was between when I lost it and when I boarded the flight to Australia, I was able to call up all the numbers and quickly and easily make quick phone calls.
That's great.
Yeah, so it made it
It makes a bad situation better.
Absolutely.
It makes a bad situation better.
Yeah.